Hey, I'm TJ Brown, owner of the range in Fargo, North Dakota, located in the Osgood Shopping Center off of 45th Street. The range is essentially a indoor golf simulator, but instead of golf clubs, you have a gun. You can bring in real guns, pistols in 940, 45, or 380, AR style rifles, or 12 gauge shotguns, and you can use our laser systems in your weapon system. We have a variety of different software to choose from. So we'll look at some different software that we have. I'll go to the competitive shooting. And there's 10 different competitive shooting courses. They're mimicked after IPSC courses. We have games and marksmanship drills. We have every games from duck shooter to zombie hunter, and then we have competitive shooting courses also that are mimicked after your normal IPSC courses.